Alright, boys and girls, so today we're going to keep up with place value, and we are going to make a place value creation. But before we begin that, let's do a quick review of what we know about place value. So in place value, we know we have a hundred, a 10, and we have ones. So if I look, I have my ones, and I know the value of one is 1. And when I come to my tens place, the value of 110 is 10 because it takes 10 ones to make 110. Then when I look at my hundreds, now this isn't a great hundred, let me get a better one. Oh, that one looks better. So I know when I have my hundreds, I know that I have 10 tens make up my 100, or I have 100 ones are put together to make a 100. So I know the value of this piece is 100. So I have my hundreds, tens, and ones. Well, today you are going to use these pieces to make a picture, and then you're going to tell the value of your picture after you have made it. So Ms. Wilmoth is going to get a piece of construction paper, and you'll find your construction paper in the red drawer on the computer cart. So I have my piece of construction paper, and I'm going to build a snowman. So I'm going to use 300s, and I'm going to build a snowman. Well, then my snowman needs some arms, so I'm going to use some 10s to build him an arm, and I'm going to use another 10 to build another arm. And then I know that snowmans have buttons, so I need to give him some buttons on his chest. So I'm going to use the ones to make those buttons. But then I also need to give him a face, so I'm going to use some more ones to give him and make him some eyes, make him a face, give him a smiley, where he'll smile. I'm also going to use my ones to make a nose, because we all know that snowmen have carrots for noses. So I'm going to kind of use them to make what looks like a carrot nose. So there is my snowman. And if I wanted to, I may give him a little bitty hat. So I'm going to use some ones, and I'm going to make him a hat. Now you all, when you're finished with this, you will glue your creation to the paper. In my case, I don't have enough time to do that. So I've made my creation. Well, now I want to look and think, what is his value? So somewhere on my paper, I'm going to write that he has this many hundreds, this many tens, and this many ones. So I know that it's going to take, I have hundreds, here, let me do better. I don't know that you all can see that. So I know that I used 300 to make my snowman. I used 10s to make my snowman. Then I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ones on my snowman. So I know that that's telling me how many hundreds, tens, and ones I used on my snowman. Well, when you finish your creation and after you finish gluing him, your next step is that you're going to fill out your exit ticket. And you're going to use the number of hundreds, tens, and ones to help you figure out the value of your snowman or of whatever creation. I made a snowman, whatever your creation is. So first you have to cut out and build it. Then tell how many of each you have, and then fill out your exit ticket that you tell the value of each place. I hope you enjoy making your creation.